Cavalry Chess. How to play. The rules are the same as regular chess, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Replace every piece with a cavalry version of itself. Cavalry pawns move like regular pawns, except they may also jump like a knight in a forward direction. En passant captures can only be made when the target uses a double-step move and the capturing piece uses a forward diagonal capture. Cavalry pawns promote like normal to any other cavalry piece except for the king. Cavalry knights may move like a traditional knight, as well as jump in a 3x1 L and a 2x3 L. Cavalry bishops have the combined movement of a bishop and knight. Cavalry rooks have the combined movement of a rook and knight. Cavalry queens have the combined movement of a queen and knight. Cavalry kings can move up to 2 squares in a straight line in any direction. The cavalry king may move through check, but may not end in check. And it also has the jumping moves of a knight. The first player to checkmate their opponent wins.